My name's Liz. I would like to tell you a story about a woman who influenced my life when I was very young. I graduated from high school in 1963 and joined the U.S. Air Force. From there, I was sent to Lackland Air Force Base in Texas, where I met Tina. She was one of my roommates at the time. We got connected, and she was one of the best people that I've ever met. She had a huge feeling of joy with life. She kept us laughing, kept us going all the time. At the time when I was back in Lackland during basic, President Kennedy was assassinated. In that time frame, from then on till we finished, it was very depressing. She kept us funny, she kept us laughing, telling us that the future was bright. From there, we went to Greenville, Mississippi, where we learned how to carry people on our cots. We carried them over 6-foot walls. We carried them through barbed wire, and we carried them through tunnels. This was pretty bad. But we did everything, and we learned how to do it. Tina was always there encouraging, always telling us to keep going. She was probably one of the best people on our team. From there, we got sent to Montgomery, Alabama. Now, if you remember, in the 1960s, it was very segregated. There were a lot of riots. There was also the Vietnam War. Tina, who happened to be my very best friend at the time, was black. We loved to go shopping together. We loved to go to the movies together. Unfortunately, when we went to Montgomery, we couldn't really do all of those things. We went to a